Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the right platform, a physical machine or a virtual machine. Get an official Windows XP ISO Plus Service Pack 3. Once you have those, you can slipstream updates. Make sure drivers for chipset, LAN, and storage are on a USB stick so setup won't stall. In BIOS, set legacy boot and the correct SATA mode. This prevents driver mismatches. Once done, boot the installer and follow the setup. Install SB3 immediately so you reduce legacy instability. Next, you isolate XP from the modern internet to avoid exploits. Run it behind NAT or on an offline VLAN so network exposure is minimized. Install only essential software, a lightweight, legacy-compatible browser, an offline antivirus, and a strict host firewall. Disable services you don't need, remote registry, SMBv1, and auto-update daemons to reduce attack surface. Also, configure USB auto run off and use snapshots or disk images. These precautions let you keep functionality without constant online risk or frequent emergency restores. Finally, maintain XP by creating a master image after clean setup. You'll restore that when things go wrong, so updates aren't repeated. Use snapshots if virtualized, and transfer files via read-only shared folders or scanned archives to avoid contamination. Keep a checklist of approved apps and enable application whitelisting where possible. This prevents accidental installs. If you hit activation errors or driver conflicts, boot safe mode, roll back recent driver changes, or restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.